And of course my mic was muted. And of course the Persona music's not playing. Of course. Let me fix that real quick. There we go. Hi everyone, how you doing? This is a bit of a weird one. Because I'm still setting up. Because this thing was not optimized properly. As it should have been. So, instead, I'm just gonna do stuff on the fly here. There we go. You know what? Who really cares that the webcam cuts off? I sure don't. Because, I don't know. You barely see me down there anyway. I mean, if I switch to the gaming overlay, like, it's not gonna matter, so, yeah. Hi, welcome. I'm just opening Blender right now. This is going to be a pretty short stream, if I'm doing this right. There are a few things that I need to fix, though. And I'm going to be looking over at my OBS window for this. I do have the Persona music turned on in that window, right? Yeah, okay, I do. Oh. That's an issue. Yeah, let me just scale myself up. Why not? You know what? Just cover the problem so that it doesn't exist anymore. There we go. Yes. Hi. Hello. It's been a while. I just realized that I needed to advertise myself somewhere else that I need to do that, so... And then, yeah, this is just random self-promotion stuff that I should have done, should have prepared for, didn't. Oh well. Yeah, I'm not gonna promote my stream in there. We have the option to. I'm not gonna. What I want to know is if this is still working. Yes. Okay. Good. Good. Yeah. Tonight's gonna be really simple. I'm just gonna flip the camera real quick so that you. Yeah. So tonight's really just gonna be simple. Really, I'm just modeling a coffee cup. But I guess what I'll do is add a timer. So. Let's create a new source. Go to the scripts. Let's first of all kill that, and then countdown. Timer for coffee. That's not what I want. That's not what I want at all. Didn't we used to have, and I'm going to ask, yeah, advanced timer, there it is. Countdown, count up. Set this to timer for coffee. There we go. You know what? That's probably good enough. So I will just... Well, you know what? I'll fix the font real quick. We set that to Harlow 72. That's gonna be good. I don't know what that was. Oh, that was just spectralizers. Okay, cool. I'll put it bottom left. Why not? Bottom left of that scene. That sounds reasonable. Set this to the blue that we always use. Go. So tonight's just gonna be really simple. I'm just modeling a coffee cup. It shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be. I say that as if I know what I'm doing, but I'll be honest. I'm not very good. I'm not very good. I guess I can turn off the... Well, I'm trying to think. What do I actually need? trying to think of what I actually need. A better model for one. But I can work on that later. There used to be a show joints button. And I'm not finding that in here. Oh well, it's probably not that important, so yeah. In that case, I can probably just try to reset this. No, I'm looking somewhat down. There we go. Okay. No, because now I'm looking that way. I love having to try to fix stuff. I love not being set up midstream. That's just the best. I shouldn't have this flip. Nope, it's right. It's right. Okay. Yeah, screw it. Let me just fix this. And then we can start. There we go. Alright. Coffee cup. Delete the default cube, send it to the void. Let's do a cylinder. Camera and light. We don't need a camera for now. I can hide the light for now. Coffee cup. It's usually shorter near the bottom, so I can scale down just a bit, like 0.6, probably. There you go, coffee cup. No, I should probably make it better, actually look decent. So, I'm gonna take the whole thing and I'm gonna scale it down. Well, that depends. I actually want to scale it up for the project that I'm working on, maybe? No, I want to scale it in. Because it's going to be a bit short for the project that I'm working on. I think the real issue is going to be the lid. And fixing normals, which should probably toggle. Yeah, all the normals look, well, normal. Which means I can go in, kill that. And of course, this is all getting fixed later, so who cares? Let me add another cylinder. It's getting scaled down a lot. So like 0.1. Let's see how that works. Not bad, not bad. 925, 925. I don't have any references, so this is likely going to be a pretty bad model at first, but I'm just going based off what I've seen of other coffee cups, so yeah. I want to select this face. I want to inset the face on this by like 0.1. Yeah, that'll be enough. There we go. Starting to look like a coffee cup now. Probably not that high. Because... actually, you know what? Fuck it. I'm pulling up a reference. Coffee cup. It's just a simple 2-minute reference. I don't really care about quality. Okay. So, immediately, right off the bat, I've already messed up. But also not really, because I can just do extrude. Bring this up to like right around there. Set it to like 0.25. Really wish I had that open at all times. Inset the face to like 0.1. And then I move this face down. No, I extrude this face down. Yeah, that looks about right. If that's the case, though, then I definitely need to make this a bit shorter, smaller. That's like right there. Why not? And if that's the case, then this edge needs to be bigger. Not by much, though. Just so it's big enough to hold the coffee and so that it doesn't look weird. God, I really wish I could zoom in onto this image. This reference image I have here. Instead, I have to settle for a grainy picture, which nobody really likes. Whatever. Beggars can't be choosers. I want a loop cut here. Just so I can bring these edges out. Hopefully that got all... Yeah, okay, cool. And just slightly bring it out. Not by much, though. How's that look out of wireframe? Cool. I do want to add another loop cut here. And instead, I select the vertices of this row. Can I do that without breaking everything? Looks like I can. Don't want it to make it too steep, too low. About 15. Sounds about right. And then something like that. 0.95. There's a tiny ridge. Oh, okay, that sort of changes everything. In which case, move that down a bit. Not by much, though. Not by much. So this is interesting. I also have to make sure that when I'm looking at it from the top, the this has enough room to be doesn't look to be that way. So we fix that. By making it ever so slightly larger. 1.025. There we go. So now it looks somewhat level. Now we look at this. There is a tiny ring. Just a very, very tiny ring. But it still counts, so I'm going to hide these normals. They're getting in the way. Lower that slightly. 1.75. Maybe 0.2 if I can get away with it? Yeah, I can get away with that. 0.25 seems a bit too much, so I'll stick with 0.2 for now. Because I do have to account for the lip. Which only begs the question, how am I gonna pull that off? I guess I can move all these down. Because I need to poke a hole in, like, one of the tops of this. And I'm trying to think, where can I do that? That sounds reasonable. Oh, I know how I'm gonna do this. Loop cut this edge. And then I need to select all of these. And this is just, I mean, it's not really modeling practice. There's a reason why I'm doing this coffee cup thing. It's for a project for one of my friends, and I'm helping out with that, and you might see me in there. I can't exactly reveal what the project is about, so yeah, but once the project releases, the coffee cup will be on my store, I guess. Moving that directly upwards will break it, so instead I will extrude it. There we go. That also creates an issue between these, which logically should not be here. And I think this is where the hard part comes in. Because I'm going to need to likely manually connect each of these one by one. And that's not really fun. Unless... yeah, no, there's no way I'm getting away with that. Damn it. I had a plan where if this wasn't... if this didn't extend past the extrude point, I was just going to bring the faces up and extrude those faces, but actually I could just do that. What's stopping me? Realistically. You know what? Sure, why not? And then I just need to grab the ones at the bottom. Because I know I wasn't done. Unless I was. And I'm just going crazy. Well, only one way to find out. No, that can't work. That can't work, because that pulls up. Okay. Okay, this is solvable. I know how to solve this. It's just gonna take a lot more effort than needed. Because I want to make it a decent coffee cup, you know? I mean, I don't even drink coffee, but the people that want a coffee cup, like, it needs to be good. Who's ever heard of a bad tasting cup of coffee? Don't answer that. The people in New York will do that for you. Yeah, see, I knew I wasn't done. So I think I just delete those faces, right? Like, that's not gonna break anything. Yeah, that doesn't break anything important. Okay. Which means... select this. And I'm also gonna have to kill that, huh? Alright, and now comes the arduous process of... No, I have an idea. Bring those faces back. I need to loop cut this. No, I'm wrong. I'm incredibly wrong, because if I move these up... yeah, they just don't do anything. Okay. So now, the question is, how far can I move these up before they start breaking everything? Okay, how much can I get away with? That's too much. That's not. Still a tiny gap to... we were as low as we can go. And even then, that's too far. That should be good enough. You know what? Yeah. Okay, so now is just the long and arduous process of... deleting just the faces. No, I can delete the faces safely, because this is just... these are all points, I can connect them. I could do that manually in my sleep, no problem. I didn't look to see how round I made this coffee cup, so that might be an issue, but I don't really see it being one. Not yet, at least. But yeah, I guess I could talk about the other project I did. So you guys remember the UFO modeling stream I did, right? For War of the Ants, the movie that's coming out soon, sometime in 2025. One, I still don't have the rights to show it to anyone yet, unfortunately, but I am planning on cleaning it up and putting it on the store. Without the eyeball, obviously, because that's a separate plugin, and I kind of want everything to work within Blender itself. Or at least within this version of Blender, if that makes sense. There we go. So now they're actually connected. Which means if I extrude all of these, we shouldn't have issues. That's my hope. No, don't tell me. Oh, God, why is there a fly in here? It's so close. I don't want to hit the mic. Damn it. Alright. I'm gonna have to kill that fly later. But for right now, I don't want to extrude this. I actually want to scale it out slightly. No, I'm gonna be forced to extrude this, aren't I? Unless I bevel it in advance. Even that's a bit of a tough decision. Okay. Here's what I'll do. I will scale that down to pretty much until it's on. There we go. That should be good, hopefully. Because when I do this again, scale it out. And again, it doesn't need to be scaled that big. Just... Can't really see with the mic in the way, but... Yeah, that looks good. That looks a lot better. I like that. It's already looking a lot better. Cool. Okay. And then I just poke a hole somewhere in here, right? I'm looking away. You set this to right side up. You're the lucky winner. Actually, no, let me be smart here. It's a round hole. So logically, I should probably inset the faces? Yeah, that sounds right. Inset the faces of these. Yeah, I mean these holes at the top are unavoidable, but it's such a minor fix. It's easily repairable. And then what's left is to just round out the corners. If I remember which one the... Maybe it's subdivide? No. Because that's just... Okay. What? Huh? Excuse me? Why are these two still here? Does that happen with this one? No. What? I'm so confused. That goes to there, and that goes to there. I just want these corners rounded. That's the main issue. You can't even see it. Because I closed the frickin' window. And now I have to fix it again. You know what? Screw it. Display cap should be upon ye, and it's too big to see the frickin' screen. Whoa, display cap should be upon ye. I should probably crop it properly. Good enough. Okay. So... what's happening here? Why do you not want to cooperate? Is it because this needs to be subdivided? I think I get it. Okay. No. I subdivide here. I subdivide here. Then I subdivide here. And subdivide here. Then I delete this vertice. No, I dissolve that vertice. And then I subdivide this a bunch of times, right? No, I feel like I'm doing this wrong. Man, if only this was so easy. I never thought that that this would be a challenge. I think I'm on the right track though. Subdivide. Subdivide. Now, I'm gonna lose it. I am gonna lose it. And that's not a good thing. Not at all. Because the problem is I'm trying to get this to be rounded. You know what? How far does the undo history go? Yeah, that sounds pretty reasonable. I'ma just delete the vertices and try again. Yeah, I'ma just try again. Because I know a backup method, and I was kind of hoping I didn't have to do that, but oh well. So, we add another cylinder. No, I add a UV sphere. Drag it up. Scale it way the hell down. You. Wait, no, it's on this side. I've been working on the wrong side this whole damn time. Turn that on to save my sanity. Hide that. So I'm working in wireframe just so that I can see what I'm doing. The overall objective here is to try and get this thing to be roughly in the center. Right about there. Once that's done, I can pretty much just move on. Wouldn't you know it? It's off center. I'm fine though. Like, this is such an easy fix. Like, watch. Ready? I pretty much just need to do... Oh, no. I kind of do need to move it down, huh? Alright, hopefully that doesn't fuck anything up. Hoping. Shouldn't. Let me just... Yeah, no, it doesn't. Okay. I'm upside down. So yeah, with that done... Gotta move on to this thing. And it being... offset. No, I'm... What? No, I needed to move it the other direction. Okay. That... Okay. I'm fine. Like, it's just one of those things that... does get annoying. Especially when you don't transform the entire thing. A small part. But it's fine. It's not really that big of a deal. I can manage. Hopefully that doesn't fucking anything else up. Nope. Okay, good. Okay. I'm doing good. This is... I'm gonna really call it a minor setback. It's just an annoyance at best. Yeah. Time to remember booleans. So this is the boolean modifier. I connect it to here. Intersect. No, I think I set it on this one instead. Because this is the target. No, this is the source, this is the target. No, I'm wrong. I had it right the first time. Booleans are confusing, man. I used to know how they worked. And then I don't know what happened. Sure, let's try that. Let's see if that will fix everything. It probably won't. And a dent. Let's do difference instead. love the fact that my webcam just breaks every so often. That's pretty great. That's pretty cool. Also because I'm not sitting up properly, or my webcam's too high. One of those two. It's one of those two. Let's try difference. Nope. I forget how this works. This shouldn't come off as surprising, but... yeah. I love not being able to remember. It's the absolute worst. Because when I boolean... No, I'm doing this wrong. I just realized. This shouldn't have the boolean. The lid should. Right? Hopefully. Yeah, okay. No, this was right. Okay. Okay, thank God. Whew! Things got bad there. Ooh. I just realized, who cares? Who cares if the model slipped? Pretty basic model anyway. I don't think people's gonna notice the logo is flipped. So who cares? I mean, I noticed it, but like after. So, and it kind of works because I have to look left to see like how I'm doing, how things are going. I mean, if I look right, I'm flipping it back. There we go. Yeah, that looks much better. Even though I'm looking right, that's also looking right. Okay, yeah, no, it makes sense. Okay, shit, I just realized 15%. My battery drained so fast. I wonder. They used to have a cable somewhere. Yeah, this is it. Here we go. I didn't realize that my phone died so fast when I was using VC Face. And I forgot that was a thing. 1 second. I need to find... I don't know if you heard that, but... I mean, you might have. Okay, now it's charging. We're good. Okay, so coffee cup. Lid. Organized. All set to go. Shut up. Shut up again. Allow. And I need to get back into VC Face. Tracking died. Of course it did. I'm getting called. 1 second. Okay, so I have to mow the lawn. Yeah, I did say the stream would end if I get dragged away, but you know what? No, I am avoiding my responsibilities very much. So, we press on. We leave these vertices in here. Because if I'm not mistaken, these vertices aren't used for anything. Huh? Oh! Right. There's a bottom to this. We don't need the bottom. And then... delete vertices. So it should really just be the one at the top. Yep, there we go. Okay, cool. Normals are fucked up. That's pretty bad. Let's see. Actually, no. I don't think normals are fucked per se. While facing outside. And I don't see any lines on the inside, so I think we might be in the clear to move on. Yeah, we're in the clear. Okay. Yeah, we're in the clear. Okay. Next, we need a new cylinder. This is for... Okay, this part is going to wrap around the base of the cup. So... delete face. Delete face. Kill those. This will wrap around the base of the cup at a slightly larger size than normal. 0.8 will cause clipping issues. Yeah, 0.8 causes clipping issues. What about 0.805? 0.81. 0.81 seems to do it. Okay, which leaves the bottom. To be desired. That's gonna cause clipping. 0.75 causes clipping. 0.76 causes clipping. 0.77 does not. What about 7.65? Yep, 7.675. Nope. 7.7 it is. So... there we go. And that's for that little, like, plastic... no, not plastic. Paper, cardboard thing that goes around the ears of the cup. So, yeah. While we're on the subject, though, I do want to add one more thing. You sometimes see this part around the edges of a cup. So, let me just do that. Scale it out ever so slightly. For one. And scale it down. To like 0.35. That seems reasonable. Right? No, let's do 0.5. So basically this last part is just going to be for like any branding on the cup that you want to add. So let's say you have a company logo and you want to include it on the cup. That's going to be what this last cylinder is for. So 1.1. Shade smooth. Shade smooth. All right, time for texturing. Let me add. Well, first let me join all these together. Coffee cup. So now we get to the fun part, which is texturing everything. So we're gonna have 4 different pieces called coffee base, coffee lid, coffee holder, coffee logo BG, and finally coffee logo. So coffee base, it's a white texture. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Roughness, I'd say it's pretty rough for coffee cup. So, no specular on this. I mean, just maybe a tiny bit, but nothing too bad. Coffee lid. We go into edit mode. Let's. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Love of God. Okay. This is solvable, by the way. This is solvable. Oh, I just realized. Okay. Let's worry about the coffee cup for now, because this part can cause issues if we don't address it now. Because coffee cups don't usually have an opening all around the side. There's a fix for this, and it's called extruding these vertices and then closing them off. Amazing how I'm just learning as I go, huh? Okay. Here we go. Let's do those vertices down to like, what was it, 4.5? Yeah, that looks good. All right. Now we close them off. I should be mowing the lawn. I should get ready for that. Problem is, this takes precedence. Oh, hang on. Never mind, I'm getting dragged away. Which that doesn't really help. I guess I can't run from my responsibilities any longer. I'll finish wrapping this up. Because really the only thing that needs to be done now is just texturing. And just fixing the lid. And then we're all set. So, I guess... Because I do need to go do that. That should roughly take 10-ish minutes. Not even that, probably. That is if I don't get distracted any longer. So I'll texture... No, I'll fix the lid here, and then I'll go weed whack. And then we can get back to texturing. So... Yeah, and it's good that I need to be right back, because sitting in this chair for an hour is probably not good for you. I mean, people do that all the time in the office, but I have stuff to do. I have a lot to do, actually. Why did I schedule it on this day? I don't know. But yeah. So once we fix the lid here and everything's looking a-okay, I will hit the be right back. We will go from there. What? No, not that one. How close are we? Ah, we're pretty close, I'd say. Yeah, just 4 more to go. Two. 1. Alright, and then we fix the lid. That can be easily fixed by just around the outside. No. I need to not just the outside. Okay, no. I know what to do. I know what to do, but it's gonna take a while. Because I also need to account for the outside decorations as well. So... to scale these. There we go, that's all those. We'll grab these as well on the outside here. Because the bottom ones, we don't really need to worry about that much. And honestly, I could just do that for the top ones. Because the bottom ones are just going to be left alone. That makes sense? Hopefully it does. So now we just do... So let's make my life easier. Let's do... We have the scale function up. Which way is it? It's this way. Okay. There we go. This is the line. Right here. 104, 105. And maybe 105.5. $105.7? 105.8. If I can type. 105.8. 105.9? Nope, that's too much. Okay, 105.8. So let me just scale that out. 105.8. 0.058. And that should be mostly airtight all the way around. Not really. You're going to have some air, but that's okay. And that also fixes the issue with that. Perfect. All right. Texturing will happen in a little bit. I will go ahead and pause the timer. There's no pause function. Yes, there is. So I will go weed whack. I will be right back. And yeah, I should probably figure out how to... Actually, no, I can just do this. I can add the persona music as background. So, don't worry about that. Alright, let me just be right back. Alright, and I'll see you in a bit. See you in like 10 minutes, and then we'll get back to texturing. I forgot to unmute my mic again. Okay, hi, we're back. I hit the mic. Ugh. I'm just gonna grab a quick drink before we continue. Go to the timer. Start it again. Damn my internet to hell and back. Only me! Only me! Whenever I try to stream, it's only me! It's only me! It's not Castle that streams. I know he streams a lot. It's not Jacob that streams, even though he barely streams a lot. No, it's only me! It's only me! It's only me who has problems streaming. With, like, people walking in, people trying to drag me away to something. Only me! Only me! I'm gonna frickin' lose it. Hi, welcome back. Damn the internet. That's all I'm gonna say. How much time have we lost? I paused the timer. Because, like, I saw it happen after a minute, and then, I don't know, it's been like 20 minutes since the internet was down. Holy cow. I have words. I have words. I'm not going to say them. We're just gonna get straight back to texturing, because why not? This was broken, so I want to fix that. 1.085. No, even that's broken. Because that was actually supposed to be 1.58, right? No. What? Hold on. Timeout. What was the number here? It was 5.8 something. I know that much. Yeah, 5.8 here. So what's the deal with this one, huh? .058, 1.058. But I also need to select this vertice too, or otherwise it's not going to count. So 1.058, 1.058. And we're just gonna pretend like nothing went wrong. I'm gonna lose my mind. But yeah, that should be fixed. There should be no outstanding gaps anywhere now that I've done this properly. So now I can close this and we can go back to texturing. Finally. Finally, we're going back to texturing. So let's do coffee base. So the base color for this one will be black. I don't know why I did that. Let's... Because it's mostly the lid, right? No, I want to just select. I don't want to scale. Yeah, damn my internet. Damn it all. And it's only me. It's only me who has internet problems whenever I try to stream. Like, other streamers, they've got, like... No! Like, I have Xfinity. I have Gamer Grade Internet. What the... What the fuck? Ugh. Gamer Grade Internet, my ass. Okay, yeah. Texturing this shouldn't take long. Really, it's just all about getting the basic colors right and then working with specular. So the lid here will have a lot more specular than the rest of the cup because it's a plastic lid and plastic tends to be shiny. I say tends to be because there are sometimes exceptions to this rule. But I don't really think those are too noticeable. Just making sure that everything's all lined up. There we go. Get that one too. I'm honestly surprised because I haven't run into any issues. Well, also because I haven't streamed, but I haven't run into any issues when streaming. Okay, so I haven't streamed in a while, so does that mean that once I stream, I'm gonna have tech issues again? If so, please no. Please no. I already have enough of those to deal with. I don't want more. Please no. Okay. So this is textured, so I'm going to assign the lid here, and that should be roughly specular. Not bad. Still a few places we can clean up, like these right here. Yeah, it's the tiny faces that are gonna get you on this one. Other than that, it looks pretty solid. Okay. Now, the coffee holder is going to take on a slightly orange texture. But for this one, I want to have some sort of brick texture on it, roughly. It's gonna be for this. For these ones right here. Let's do texture coordinate and mapping, whatever that is. Put you there, put you there. Cool. And it looks horribly off-center. Because it is. .45, we'll make it nice and round all the way around. Unless it wants to be stupid, in which case I can't really stop it from doing that. I mean, I could, but how much effort am I willing to go through? How much pain? How much agony? How much suffering? Because really the problem is I don't want this to look spherical. Which this is what it's trying to do. And I broke it, of course. Really, it's a matter of the offset being an issue. What What if I don't do a brick texture? Because I want this to have like some sort of cross stitch. What if it's just a checker texture? Yeah, who's gonna stop me here? No one. Okay, someone might. I think normals might be fucked. And saying that might be blasphemous, but I'm willing to check. Just in case. Hello. Ah. Ah ha ha. Okay. I see an issue. These are not supposed to be inside the cup. I'm glad I spotted that, because... yeah. Because if those were inside the cup on export, then a lot of people are going to be very upset. So with those out, we can just do... you just quickly scale those out. 1.01, 1.01. Shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, that fixed the problem immediately. But now we've still got to deal with this thing. Honestly, I'm just considering maybe a noise texture. And just calling it a day. Noise texture plus RGB, wherever that is. And then mixing the two together. And of course I have to do shader to RGB. Because it is technically a mixed shader. There, probably. No! This needs a color ramp. No, I don't even need the mix shader, methinks. Because I can just plug this directly into the base color. Yeah, that looks good. It could be a bit of a lighter brown, though. Like, all things considered. About that color. Yeah, something like that. But I want it to look somewhat realistic, so... yeah, 0.6 looks good. 0.6 looks pretty decent. I do want to make this a bit on the red side. There we go. Okay. Now, for the coffee logo BG, we use... these. 1, 2, 3. For this one, I can just pretty much copy paste, except make this green, and likely set it to constant instead. Yeah, there we go. All right. And I should probably... bring up the scale a bit, make it different from the background. So, yeah. All right, and last but not least, coffee logo. Uh-huh. Oh, I know how I'm gonna do this. We don't even need coffee logo because I can just rename this to... First of all, let's clean up the unused data block. Just call this coffee logo instead. Because I can probably do some fancy wizard magic. And add an image as a mix shader in here somewhere. No, not as a mix shader, an add shader. Because it's going to be two different things. I do need to check something real quick. And it's likely going to involve me turning off the stream for just a quick second, mainly because I don't want people to see my computer and like all the files on it. So, yeah, oh well. Deal with it. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Let me turn off display capture. Let me go to... Let me just make sure that it's in here first. Yeah, okay. I can put it in. No, actually, I didn't even need to... Okay. No, turn that back on. Cool. So I just connect vector to you. This is the image that I'm going to use just for now. Point one, point one, point one. Where the hell did that go? I see. Okay. No, this is UV probably. Right? Once I find this stupid thing, it'll be easy. Wait. Hold on. Image. I love not knowing what I'm doing when it comes to this. Texture. Let's try that. Ah! Perfect. We could just scale this down. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it only goes one way. All right. Well, there you have it. There's the coffee cup. There's definitely going to be a better way to optimize this. Should probably center it though. Wait, hang on. Can we rotate it? Not that way. Not that way. Not that way. Can we rotate this? No. There's got to be a way to rotate it, right? Or is it just forever stuck like this? I wonder. Because I do want it to appear under the, under this. So... there we go. And of course, you can rotate the panels to your liking whenever you want. All right, and find the timer. Stop the clock. All right, that's your coffee cup. It's kind of basic, but it works. I mean, you can add your own logo with this add shader. You can change the color of it. You can change the background. I'd say for all of the technical troubles and me getting dragged away, under 2 hours, not bad. Like in total, stream under 2 hours, not bad whatsoever. Yeah, I mean, this is gonna be for a project, so obviously the logo will be different. But for what it's worth, it ain't bad. I'll take it. I'll take what I can get. And of course, I need to UV and texture it and whatnot and fix everything later. But honestly, as a basic coffee cup, this is pretty good. So I think I'm going to end the stream here. Switch back over to you. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I should probably save that actually in the folder. Coffee cup. .blend. There we go. Alright. I've stalled long enough. I'm going to go weed whack. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to turn off the Persona music. And hope and pray to God that the ending theme works properly. So... yeah, okay, there we go. It works properly. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll fix the VTuber model another day. And yeah, let's do this again. Take care, everyone. See you around. Bye.
Just a moment's time, you wonder why you ever thought you ever longed for more than you've got. 'Cause baby, you've got you and me. I'm gonna hold you tight through the night. The bed bugs better hope that I don't bite while you're counting sheep in your head. It's time to hit the sack, kapow attack, smack those troubles down, KO they're down. 1, 2, 3 a.m. Oh, is it midnight still? The window sills a million miles away, but your lucky star, he's here for sure. Down beneath the sheets, the world is yours to conquer, won't be long, dear. I'm the king and you're the pawn. We're perfect pair. Girl, you made the right mistake. Choose me instead of constant heartbreak. Now let's raise the stakes. Go on, you've earned it. Ask for any wish, I'm on it. Granted, word for word, I promise. Baby, that's the charm you got in me. Yes. Don't you be afraid. In just a moment's time, you wonder why you ever thought you ever longed for more than you've got. 'Cause baby, you've got you and me.
Some plan changes to the VTuber model that I want to do is to find a better program for facial tracking. Because I think Meowface is extremely outdated. The problem is I have an Android phone, and I don't know. the VTuber model in general just needs to be cleaned up more. I might spend some time doing that. Yeah. Who knows? Yeah. I got nothing else. I'll see you when this next happens. Like, this was fun. Like, despite all the inconveniences, I had fun. Thanks for coming out, everyone. Follow me on the socials and whatever. I'll see you around. Buckle up tonight. You wanna get away, forget it, baby. Got you in my sights, ain't in the cards. They don't ever learn. Hell, for heaven's sake. In just a moment's time, you'll wonder why you ever longed for more than you've got. 'Cause baby, you've got you and me. Yeah.